Hey guys!
Welcome back to Pnpchamps. My name is Franchi
And
this is Prashita. And today we will open this Minnie Mouse microwave. And let's start opening it. This is popcorn, and this is pretzels, and these are the things that you can make s'mores. And these are noodles. And this is the oven, and look at inside. There is one bowl to spit it out, so it can make some food. I'm going to make some popcorn inside the oven. Let's make popcorn. Turn it on. It's so much fun. I love making healthy snacks. It's ready. Now who wants popcorn? We'll give you some.
oh, thank you, Franchi. I will definitely eat this.
It tastes like chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate flavored popcorn.
Do you like chocolate?
Yeah.